Come on, let's praise Him, amen. Whoever listens to the voice of the Lord shall be free. There's a praise on the inside of me, and the atmospheres change when you speak your name. We sing, Jesus is everything. There's a sound in heaven that is so holy, that's why they sing, holy, holy, our risen King. He is so holy. There is no one like Him. The favor of the Lord is here. As we are guided by His wisdom, He is so holy. There is nobody like Him. There is nobody like Jesus Christ.